How to fix iPhone turning off automatically and not turning on. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial and fix this. First and foremost thing that you can do is simply force restart your iPhone. So simply go ahead and press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, your iPhone will take a forced restart, and this forces the phone to reboot even if the screen is black. Your issue should have been fixed by now, and if not, then sometimes the battery is completely drained, so simply wait for your iPhone to charge for at least 30 minutes without being disturbed, and if the battery was completely dead, it will start normally. If not, then you can try checking your charging accessories, as if your iPhone is still not turning on, then it could be that you have a faulty charging accessory. So try a different cable or try a different charger adapter or simply try a different wall socket. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you can simply connect your iPhone to a computer and put it into recovery mode, and then go ahead and recover your iPhone from there. If not, in settings again, tap on battery and then on battery health. If your battery health is below 80%, then you might need a battery replacement. So if your iPhone keeps switching off, then it probably could be that your battery health is very poor. Also, check for overheating or water damage. So your iPhone may shut down completely automatically time and again if it gets too hot or if water enters inside. So simply wait for it to cool down, or you might wait for it to dry completely before trying again. And if nothing fixes your issue, then in settings again, tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and then on reset all settings and enter a passcode and reset all settings. This will fix system bugs. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone turning off and not turning on automatically. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.